Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. For this video I grabbed one of my high elf fleet nobles and I'm trying out a different colour scheme. This time around I used a sniper and I'm going for a blue scheme. They were black and white zenithally primed and I went over all of the armour with marine blue as the base colour. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Before I get on with the blue armour, I grabbed Dust Bowl and gave the cloak and some of the trim a base coat. I'm doing this part now as I'm most likely going to make a mistake and get this on the blue trim parts, but since I haven't finished the blue, it's nice easy to touch them up with just some more marine blue. Now going back to the blue, I start off adding in the mid-tone with Celestial Blue. This goes over a lot of the blue, just leaving that darker blue in the shadow parts just between those panels. Finishing off the armour, I use Celestial Blue to go around the edges and some of the parts that I want a bit brighter. With the armor now done, I can get started on the mid-tone of the cloak and the trim with Sandstone. Adding in an edge highlight and some variation to the cloak, I grabbed Temple Stone. For the base, I gave it a once over with German Camo Black Brown. Getting the weapon and the trim around the head done, I start off with lead grey as the base colour for these. The highlight on the weapon now gets done with English grey, which I also use to go over the rock that he is standing on. For the final highlight on the weapon, I went over the edges and the center of the previous highlight with pale grey. Moving on to the gemstone things and the face mask, I used Fanatic Orange. Went for orange over this to get a contrast with the blue, but I kept it just to the face and the gems so it doesn't overpower the blue too much. A quick highlight on the gems gets done with Volcanic yellow. I do add some to the mask, but this is more for a variation rather than a highlight. For these small trinkets and a bit of chainmail, I went for rusty gold. Getting started on the washes, I used a thinned down Archaic Sepia wash over the cloak. I do my best to pull this off as much as I can, just so that it doesn't stain too much and it only fills those recesses. Finishing off, I do the same process now with dark tone wash over the blue and the weapon. And that will be it for the Noble Sniper. I do like how the blue came out on this one. Even though I won't be doing a full high elf army with this, I think I may have to use this on a different army since it's pretty simple and effective scheme. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.